Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your PNC rewards card and claim points, follow these step-by-step instructions to start earning and redeeming valuable rewards. Step 1. Visit the PNC Bank website at pnc.com or open the PNC mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Log in to your PNC online banking account using your existing username and password. If you haven't enrolled in online banking, you'll need to register first. Step 3. Navigate to the credit cards section of your account dashboard. Your new PNC rewards card should appear in your list of accounts. Step 4. Click on your rewards card to view its details, then look for the activation option. You may need to enter the last 4 digits of your card or other verification information. Step 5. Complete the activation process by following the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to agree to terms and conditions. Step 6. Once your card is activated, explore the PNC Rewards program details. Learn how to earn points through purchases and what redemption options are available. Step 7. Set up your rewards preferences, such as automatic redemption or accumulation goals for specific rewards like travel or cashback. Step 8. Start using your activated PNC Rewards card for everyday purchases to earn points. Monitor your rewards balance through your online account and redeem points when you're ready for gift cards, travel, merchandise, or statement credits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.